Once again, brother, I didn't say that this young man losing his life was a good thing. I said that it was not a hate crime, and I said that it appeared to be spur of the moment. It happened as a result of a tussle and an argument. It had nothing to do with that particular black male had anti-white feelings. That's what I was trying to say. And once again, these tether channels, pop in politics, these people are tethers. They are not black Americans. Somebody already showed the video where this woman right here said right on camera that FBAs be defecating on the street, right? You got to understand the white supremacist is your eternal enemy. And you got to understand that these tethers, they are our eternal enemy. This is what happens when the black community refuses to step up. These people are not black Americans. They're cosplaying as black Americans, right? This has nothing to do with the black community. This is one individual. Pop in politics is a non-FBA MAGA loving channel. Another channel that's sucking up to white people. You know, just like the Hodge twins, really brain damaged people. The Hodge twins are beyond brain damage at this point. They suck up to white people to say the most outrageous things so that they can get money. That's all it is. That's all it is. So, I'm going to say to the brother, a little bit more listening comprehension in the future. I didn't say that him losing his life was a good thing. I did not say that. I said the white supremacists and the tethers are using an isolated incident to gin up, number one, race war. This is what the white supremacists is doing. And the tethers are using this isolated incident to gin up more YouTube views. This is what they're doing. This is what these people do. We have a world full of enemies that are always lying all the time. White people are not under attack. They're making it seem like black males are just running up to white people and attacking them. That's a lie. This is an isolated incident. Right? You go to hit. See what she's doing right here? I guess he has an image of him sticking his middle finger up. Guess what? White guys do the same thing. White guys listen to the same rap, the same violent drill music, whatever the hell they call it. They listen to the same thing. I was sitting here on my job Friday, and this white dude bust out that music right inside the freaking cafeteria. Kill, 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 shoot, 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 pop, pop, pop. White people listening to the same music. You see white people having images of them wearing the same ghetto clothes, the same sticking their middle finger up. They do the same thing. One, it's cool. The other, this is the thug culture that's destroying America. It is what it is.